What's up, amputee? Eric Kemper, just working long swings on high convictions, occasional trades on momentum, trying to make more capital. How's the long swings going? Like, when you say a long swing, what are you considering as a long swing? Trying to get this. Stop that nonsense. I did not click anything. You guys just saw that. It just did this thing. It's driving me nuts. I've just been trying to take his stupid thumbnail off here. You know, we're just going to do this. I'm about to get into all this analysis here. Analysis. Whatever you want to call it. We've had the World Econ Forum doing some crazy stuff. They've been wide open now. I actually saw the WEF on my local news station. They were talking about Governor of Georgia. They had video footage of him at the Davos conference. But if you have not been paying attention to the World Econ Forum, they have been dropping stuff non-stop. And Jordan Peterson was just on Joe Rogan talking about the World Econ Forum, calling them out. And I gotta say, his new catchphrase, Jordan Peterson's new catchphrase, I kinda dig it. I don't think so, buddy. You saw that? You saw that? And you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't seen that, you should definitely go check it out. But he kept on saying, I don't think so, buddy. Just like to see Jordan Peterson and Charles Schwab together head to head, like a thumb wrestling match. And then Jordan Peterson wins and looks him dead in the eyes, cold stare. I don't think so, buddy. I'm sorry, I'm being silly to start to show up. But seriously, it is funny as hell to see. Alright, let me get this link dropped in the Discord. And let's get this going here. Let me stop playing around. Let's see, Donnell, what's up? You see, I still got delayed data on my. What is going on? Let's see, is my data over here delayed? No. So it's Thinkorswim having issues. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, tops. Top. Is it top or tops? HH is in the house. I don't think you live streamed this morning, but you said pull up MSGM and stop playing. I would if my Thinkorswim. Okay, now my Thinkorswim's back, man. You know, I don't have the fidelity set up for all the charting. I just got it set up for putting in orders and sell orders. Okay, so MSGM. There's some commas. We gotta pull it together. We're all over the place. Motorsports games. Oh wow. Okay, no kidding. Ripped from $7 all the way up to $27. This is a humongous rip. Holy jeez. Let me run through my list of stuff from last week. Or no, whatever, when last time I streamed. Don't know, it was last week. That looks like trash. BTCS, ooh, right at that 200-day been testing. We'll keep an eye on that, especially if crypto's moving. BWEN, it's looking a little interesting. A little U-shape there. Think about it, maybe. KLV. Let me go back. Let me scroll. Let's get daily back. There we go. That was not a bad swing, but we definitely keeping Merit on. PRQR. That trade is over with. Riot going sideways. Okay, AG, that's First Majestic Silver. That, interesting. Even after, let's see, after they pay out that dividend, a little bit of sell-off, downtrend. Kind of performing weak with silver being up like it is. See, P we can take off. SoFi, actually, hold on a minute. SoFi is sitting right on this 200 day. I'm gonna keep an eye on SoFi. Now, this is one of Rooster's. This is one of Rooster's 900 billion, million, trillion share plays. It does look good, but I'm not gonna trade this. There's way too many shares for me. That's why the title is Huntin' Low Floats. I even got my low float hunting hat on. That's what this is for. It's not because I shaved all my hair off because I'm bald. Or because I went bald. It has nothing to do with that. Alright? I want to hear about it. Well, let's see this. Golly, man. What do you... I mean, I'm looking at this. Okay, what's the news on this nonsense? For this rip to be this crazy. This is it's up 780%. There's like no reason whatsoever I want to trade this. Like, I've missed this completely. But let's see. So we got... Only 1 million shares makes sense for it to be able to rip this big. Very low float. Let's see. Motorscape. Let's see. They're up 120% in pre-market. Come back. What did that say? Where did it go? Signs debt for equity agreement. Motorsport Network. But Games Artifact 2 is the part of the secret sauce behind F1 arcade racing experience. Remember the Fed meeting is, we got a Fed meeting going on as well. Okay, they regained full compliance on the NASDAQ. Let's see. Hold on. That's an important one. Investor Mike Zoe reported purchase of 338 million 338,000, basically 340,000 shares of Motorsports at an average of $295. Well, he's rich right now. If he wasn't rich before, do the math on that. If he's, I don't know when he sold that, but geez, he made a good call. I mean, this obviously clearly looks like a lot of nonsense has went on with this stock here. Yeah, none of this is a good enough reason for this thing to run 780%. None of this. Like, just because, like, stocks regain compliance all the time. I mean, you got some big investors or whatever who's bought into this. If this is a Web3 gaming thing, then maybe that's why it's popping, because it has been kind of hot over on the Web3 gaming side of things. Let me check and see here if I can find out what this is. Motorsports game, but off of this news, this makes not. I mean, this. Okay, Motorsports games. It's American video game developer based in Miami. Come on. So they have official partners of NASCAR. Well, they've got official partners with everybody who's in racing. Oh, they own the NASCAR games. Okay. Virtual series. Factor 2 is part of a series. Let's see. But what are they going to just because this game company regained compliance, Kartcraft full release. Hold on. I like a good kart racing game. Let's see here. I just want to see if this is any type of crypto or anything type of games, or if this is still Web 2. You gotta buy it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think this is worth it running this high. It definitely ain't worth being up at 20 something dollars. That's just ridiculous. That is just ridiculous. We're not even gonna. I don't even like. What am I? There's nothing I can do with this. Have you never heard this, bro? They are huge. Need for Speed. Hold on, let's see. Oh wow, hold on. We got a lot going on here. My hat. You like the low float hunting hat, Donnell? Let's see. This thing took houses, wives, and kids today. Insane short squeeze. 800% divorce rate going up because of it. Yeah, I would say, yeah, shorts definitely got destroyed. No doubt for that. Yes, I've heard of Need for Speed. They've been rich, but more folks buy the games than invest. Yeah, I mean, I still, yeah, I mean, this is they're old games though and stuff. Like everything's pivoting more towards the crypto game and the play to earn. Like nobody wants to pay money for games anymore like that. They want to get paid to play. Well, the consumer mass population hasn't got there yet. I don't know. I just don't think this run is justifiable at all, though. I feel like this is like where am I going to take an entry at on this straight up nonsense we got going on here? This looks like the juicy steak to shake in front of everybody's face. Let me look. I got it on the watch list. We'll keep it on watch to see what it does. But let me see what's happening in scanners here. See if there's anything that speaks to me. Let's see what the high floats are doing. GM, Ford, Tesla, all those up pretty much. We must, because the stock market's pumping, everything's pretty much green besides a few little things. All right, low floats, LCAA, interesting little up. See, this just hit with something. Is that news? Yeah, they just. Did they sign it already? Well, they've got news. They just put the news back out again.